Good morning, everyone. My name is Afia Abdullah Sheikh. My school name is Haji Ghulam Muhammad Azam, Semi English Primary School. I am in study first. My topic name is Mahatma Gandhi. Respected principal, teacher, and my dear friend, I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was biggest and great patriotic in India. He was born on 2 October 1869. He in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. He was full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji's wife name was Kasturba Gandhi, and they had four sons.